Made popular by the Italian and French nobility in the 16th century, high-heeled shoes are seen as a gift to the fashion-conscious woman. These days, it seems most women find it near impossible not to have a single pair of high-heeled shoes.
I used to like to wear high heels because it carry a nice swag.
Makes you look sexy. They give you a nice, cute, sexy look, so you look more attractive when you're in heels. It enhances me and it let me look taller.
But though women do feel more confident, surgical chiropodists insist that there's nothing sexy about the long-term damage high-heeled shoes can cause. High-heeled shoes that do not fit properly, are too high, or worn too long can cause health problems.
Between 4 and 6 is far too high, especially over a length of time. The height of the footwear, people need to pay more attention to it because of the problem that it can create. Maybe not now, maybe not tomorrow, but later on.
Most women admit to being fashion slaves. High heels make their feet hurt, but they tolerate the discomfort in order to look taller, stylish, and more professional. But according to Mr. Bernard, women should think twice before wearing very high heels for long periods.
The individual will end up start having problem in the back of their legs, a tightness, because with the heel raised, there's a lot of stress and strain on the muscle fibers there, and they tend to shorten. And in addition to that, the toes are then they come under a lot of pressure because of the height of the heel itself. A lot of weight is transferred, again, as I said, on the toes. A multitude of foot problems develop over the years.
Doctors say most foot problems begin with poor footwear and simply worsen over time. Think of a normal foot which has 5 toes, but many pointy-toed styles like this one appear to be designed for 2, maybe 3 toes. Surgical chiropodists say if you try to force 5 toes into this small space, you will create problems for your feet, especially if you wear them over a period of time.
What is going to happen? The foot eventually, toes become crumpled up and then become fixed into the shape of the footwear. You see, a footwear should fit snugly, not a size too big or a size too large. We are now looking at an X-ray of the right foot. The big toe here is normal. The rest of the toes are normal. When you come to the second one, the deformity begins to appear. Look at the shape of it and compare this one to this one. This is caused by narrow footwear over the years.
So, how do you prevent this kind of damage?
Change your footwear. We recommend that, if you were normally wearing a 6-inch heel, you make some adjustment. Come down to a 4 or a 2 every so often. Back and forth, back and forth. So there's no consistency in that 6-inch heel over a long period of time.
For the health of your knees and feet, doctors recommend that you wear low-heeled shoes or flats designed with comfort in mind.
Exercise more intelligence when you go to purchase these shoes. So what am I looking for? Am I looking for comfort? Am I following fashion? So we recommend when you go to purchase your footwear, this is the natural width of your foot when you're standing. That's it. So the foot, as to the type of footwear that you purchase, it should accommodate the shape of and width of your feet. That's it, very, very important. If you go for a narrow one, then you start getting that squashed up there, okay? And this toe gone over there, you get the deformity and this bone here becomes prominent. So don't forget to look for the width of the footwear. Health comes first. Health is wealth.
With a little care, you can avoid the health hazards related to high-heeled shoes. Prevention is always better than cure. So be health-wise.